Hello students, now I will take your social science class for class 7. Everyone take out your social science books and take out books page number 214, and today we will learn this chapter, institutional representations of democracy, and we'll learn from here the universal adult principles. As you become responsible for your class at a particular age and want to participate in the decision making, similarly all adults in the society have the responsibility of choosing the leader of government of the democratic country. Universal adult franchise is given to all the Indian citizens who have attained the age of 18 years. The Article 325 of the Constitution provides that numbered citizens of India shall be derived from the inclusions of voter list on the basis of the religion, caste, race, or sex. In Articles 326 provide the adult suffrage. Although universal adult franchise the continuously adopted in India, the following the person have not been granted the right to vote or the contest elections: people who are not the mentally stable and cannot enjoy the right to vote, and ardent in the criminals who have been the convicted by the courts are also not the eligible to vote. And significance of universal adult franchises. Now we'll learn universal adult franchises. UAF grants the equality to all the citizens of India at all levels, in the accordance in the provisions have been made the constitutionally. It is the powerful the opinion for the citizen which enables them the protect their rights and liberty. People belonging to various and religious and are the religion ministries lives in India by the exercising in their right to franchises, they are able to protect their the interests through their the representatives. In India, universal adult presence plays an important role in important politics. In the education, people elect their the responsibilities at the regular involves their change them in require, and thus their interest in political activities are present. Universal adult fashions has been helpful in the strengthening in the national unity. People belonging to different caste and religion and communities are given equal right to vote. As a result, as a sense of unity is that developed. The provisions of universal adult franchises has also created a sense of self-respect among Indians. They feel that the government represents them and they can change the whenever they wish. During election, the manuscript for the political party leaders go out the canvassing for votes, and all this creates the sense of self-respect, self-pride, and self-confidence among the citizens. Due to universal adult franchise, there is very little possibility of the violent revolt in the country, because the people can change the government through the constitutional means in required. For example, in 1977, 1977 people replaced the Congress government by the Janata government, and at the center, and in 1980 the top led the Janata government again the restored the Congress government. Universal adult franchise is made India the biggest democratic country in the world, and it has also created a sense of self pride and sense of the patriotism among the people. Elections play a significant role in the formations of modern the responsibility democratic government. In it is the contest between various the political parties. The party that gets the maximum responsibilities number states from the government of democracy. Election takes places the providically. For example, the general elections to the Lok Sabha and held after every 5 years. The Elections Commission of India is responsible for conducting free and fair election in India. The commission consists of a chief elections commissioners and two elections commission, direct election when all voters votes for their responsibilities. For example, members of the parliament directly elected by votes is India, and indirect election is when the elected representative votes for the behalf of the votes. For example, the president is not directly elected by the votes is India but by the representative chosen by them. And here is types of elections. There are three types of election: general elections, midterm elections, and by-elections. Now we'll learn about this election. These are held on the expiry of regular them of the Lok Sabha or the state the legislative assembly. These are held on the regular intervals of 5 years. Midterm elections are held as the consequence of the dissolutions of Lok Sabha state the legislative assembly before the expiry of term of 5 years, and the by-election it is the responsibility dies before the competition is nature, and for the vacant and others and elections are held to fill in the vacant seat. So everyone learn here too from here, and next day